Assalamu alaikum. This is me Samra Saptar and welcome to my YouTube channel Samra Saptar Official, and also welcome to another video with the new topic, and you can say the second part of the Al Bukhari International University in Scholarship series. So last week, some days before, I told you about the guide you about the Al Bukhari International University, in which I will tell you the I told you about the which requirements and what are the eligibility criteria and what programs are available in that university. And that university is situated in Malaysia, and I think so in the capital of Malaysia. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the Al Bukhari International University applying procedure, and how to you have to give the name of your documents and how to fill income declaration form and other things. So without wasting time, I will just type on Chrome Al Bukhari International University. You can see the first link, and click on first link and then see this is their home page, and you can see here all information. So this is the Al Bukhari International University, and they are registering for October intake, and the last you can see here admission is now open October intake 2024, and scholarship is available for these undergraduate program and also postgraduate programs. And the last date of this scholarship, I will be scroll down and you can see there uh, the last date for its application, last deadline is 31st July, and there is 63 days left, and you can just click here and fill your application form. So without wasting time, let's go to the main page and I will show you how to fill this application. So as you all are watching the main page, home page of the Al Bukhari International University, and I just opened the home page and then scroll down and there is an option submit your application. Now you can register yourself from here, and if you didn't find this option, you can just go to the new web and type here Al Bukhari International University online application, and the first link, click on the first link and they just go to directly this page. If you are login for first time, you have to register yourself and then log in with your account and your password. So for your information, for my information, how to fill this form application, I just fill a rough application and submit. So I will show you how to fill this application in a simple way and easy wording, inshallah, and hope you will understand. And if you have any confusion, or if you don't know the requirements and eligibility criteria or other requirements or what are programs available here, you can just see the first video of international Al Bukhari International University. You can also see the I button on the screen, and I will give link in the description. So let's go to the first registration process, how to apply for this. And you can also download user manual. They will guide you for every step. If you didn't understand me, you can read their user manual, and you can see here they are describing what are the documents requirement and this application, how do you have to fill this application. So this is the register page. You have your first name, your last name, your contact number if Malaysian, you and in this application all international and Malaysian students can apply. So your contact number, your two email addresses, you can apply and then register, and then log in into the Al Bukhari International University application, and scroll down, they give all information. This is the login and this is the information how you have to select your program. First thing is you have to select your 4 programs, and this program is, if you select it for one time, you are not able to change it again. So be careful and first read all instruction and then fill the form. So in every step you have to save and proceed. So these are all our steps. You can download yourself and see what are the requirements. So at last you have to submit your application. If this is option on your application, you can see that this is your application is submitted and proceeding now. So they will inform you as soon as possible. So I will go now to the main page of Al Bukhari International University, and you can see from there login from here, and we will see what's. So these are some, I just filled the rough application and you can see this. So before going there, I am just showing you the instruction for AIU applicants. You have to see this, must see this, because without this you can't, you are not able to fill the application. They give so many important instructions, and these instructions didn't give the any other application or in other scholarship. So you have to, these are all are the documents. So how you have to give name to your documents, because they clearly mention uh, uh, we will not be responsible if your uploaded documents got lost in the system. So you have to be same ID number or same something. So if any lost your document, they will find it easily. So these all are documents, and you have to give name like this: my passport, high school certificate, high school degree, or higher secondary degree, or your recommendation letter, your references letter, your medical, and you have to mention same code. You can see here A12329, A123, same code in all documents. So they will easily find your documents if anyone lost. So now go to the applicant details, and you can see here the applicant details. So you have to first upload your photo, and then I already told you about these. You have to select four programs, and in all four programs you have to be select, be carefully, because they say you will not be able to update programs option. If you once selected these options, these programs, you are not able or not eligible to change these programs. So be careful, and see again and again which, and give first priority your which one you likes most, and then other one. And this university is about business university, so these are economics and computing and other requirements, other programs like this, and also available like education. So now I will be scroll down and go to another part. As you can see here, so this is the, I just fill a rough application, and I don't know, I just take all data from the internet and put it here. This is not my official application. It's just for your information. I wanted to guide you. So these all are the programs I selected, and you can see submitted, because this is rough application. So you can just go there and just click it here. When you fill this program application, you have to just fill first form, first step. Then after completing all the steps, you will be last going to click to here to upload the document, then submit your application. Okay. First step, you have to upload your, select your programs. So this is your first priority, this is second, this is third and fourth one, and they are power to yani put your to you into any program. So you can change there yourself. So this is my first program. This first step, I just selected it here, and now I'm going to show you another application. So these all are the data: applicant name, identity number, primary email or secondary email, contact number, applicant details. So you can see here the first step, you have to fill these three steps: basic information, academic qualification, financial information. So you have to fill this information, and you know in all scholarship you have to this information as so I already fill this information. You can just see personal details and personal statement and personal details. After that I am just moving, I already fill, so I just move to the next step. This is the academic qualification. So you can see here academic qualification, high school qualification, high school highest academic qualification, and English proficiency qualification, because this university all courses in English. So if you don't know English, if you have yeah, any certificate like IELTS, TOEFL or something else, you can upload. It will be good for your CV. And if you don't have, then if you are selected, they will teach you first year for English proficiency, yani first year in English language. So just fill this information and move to the next. Third step is scholarship application. So you have to write your SOP. Are you referred to AIU? If you are referred to any AIU collaborators, you can say yes, or if no, then you no. So these are some questions they ask too. Why should the Al Bukhari Foundation sponsor you? How will a scholarship impact your future? And what makes you a suitable and good candidate? Or any curricular activities or relevant skills or any extra activities if you have. So these all are like SOP. So you have to just divide into three parts and move down, fill it and just move down. When you fill this information, all information, you have to just click here next, and you can see these all are the information you already fill. So now we will go home page and fill the click here to upload documents, as you all are seeing. So you have to upload your documents here. Certified original copy of your passport and high school, this your academic information, and then your passport, then medical certificate, then your this is I already told you about the this is like need-based scholarship. So you have to upload your father's income, and if your mother is also working, you have to upload their income or salary slip if eligible, and then you have to also upload your photo of your family home outside view and your living room and your kitchen view, sorry. These all are the information you have to upload. So I hope so you can understand, and you have to fill an income declaration form. And if you don't know about income declaration form, from where it is download, I will tell you the from their application also you can download, and if you didn't find from there, you can download from the description. So you have to fill that income declaration form and stamp from the authority where your father or mother is working, and then upload on this website. So then fill it by yourself, and the basic information you have to just give it. And this is the whole application. You have to just put your all documents here, and then submit. Here is the option submit, and then your application will be submit, and I will show you also home page. And here is you can see my application is submitted. So you can see my all information I give and my all documents are uploaded. So that's why now the my application status is submitted. So this is the whole procedure. Hope you will understand, and like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to share with others this opportunity. This is a great and best of scholarship. If you wanted to study abroad and you have a craze to study in another country, must apply for this university. And thank you so much. मिलेंगे इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.